Hello everyone, these shots were all captured with one of the most affordable DJI drones you can buy today. This is the DJI Mini 4K. In this video, I'll unbox it, show how everything connects and do a quick indoor flight and then take it outside for some real world flying so you can see exactly what this drone is capable of. Let's get into it. This right here is the DJI Mini 4K, and this one is the fly mode bundle. So difference between this one and the normal one is basically comes in with 2 extra batteries. And if I take you here, you can see this one has 3 flight batteries in comparison to if you buy it without the fly mode bundle. You basically have just the 1 battery that comes with the drone. So let's unbox it and I'll show you what it has. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay. So this right here is the shoulder bag. I'm hoping this opens up this way. This is the actual drone. Open it up. Okay, this is the camera protection, and as you can see, these are the propellers. One thing I have noticed with these drones is you can see through the coil, which kind of makes me nervous. Like if a drop of water falls in there, I don't know if it's game over for these things. So let's unwrap this right here, and these parts go in like this. This flips off. This can remove this one. These are the landing gears, I think. If I remove these, well, 1 battery that it comes with. You can take these off. This is the protection for the camera. Okay. If I would want to protect it further, maybe that would be the way. But this clearly is a mechanical gimbal. Let's see what it has in the box other than the drone itself. This is the controller. I accidentally turned it on, I think. Normal, cine and sport mode. And this is, I don't know, maybe play. The controllers would go in here. This is your video photo. This is another joystick here. This obviously will come off to hold your phone with the DJI Fly app, and these are the joysticks. So you can fit these like here. Here's the USB-C, and then we have this guy. So these are the extra 2 batteries. Okay, so this clocks in here. So basically you have to pull this down and then pull it off. And of course you can charge the 3rd battery also along with these 2. And here's the USB-C, the output, on off. So okay, this silica pouches. You can leave them there. These are the extra propellers. Them giving extra kind of makes me nervous, like these break off very easily or something. One screw to probably, you know, do the propellers change, and again the extras, USB-C to USB-A, and these guys obviously are to connect your phone. Like if you pull it off, this is the replacement of this thing, right? Oh, so this one is actually lightning to USB-C. This is USB, micro USB to USB-C. I kind of forgot there for 1 second the name. And this is USB-C to USB-C. That is nice to have some extras depending on the phone that you are using. Let's see if we have anything on the back. Oh, does it lock? Okay, so this is empty. The drone, extra batteries, the actual controller. My phone has a USB-C, so I'm thinking this would go for me USB-C to USB-C, and then these are the joysticks. Kind of nice. So we have the drone ready here. This is the DJI Fly app. Let's click on it. Okay, so it has the connection guide and all the settings and profile. This is the connector, the RC, and you have to just put it on the slot. Let me show you. So first let's connect the cable. One USB-C goes into the RC. Let's slot in the phone. Connect the phone. Switched on. Press and hold. Now, as you see, it's in video mode right now, and the drone is not started. You have to pull down diagonally inwards to start it. That's how it it's ready to fly, and then according to your maneuver it will go up and down and all the movements that it can do using the joysticks. So here is the gallery. I've already taken one photo of it from the drone camera. These are all the settings: photo, video, quick shots. Right now we are in video mode. These are the quick shots. Obviously right now it won't work. Right now I'm in photo mode. Clicked, took a photo. Gallery. We can see the photo. This is the video. Let's go into the modes. Switch on video mode. And let's take off. So upwards is to raise it up and down. So here you go. That's how you move it upwards, and it's ready to go any height that you push the lever to. This is the landing mode, H, and you have to press and hold. And then that's how it lands. So the left joystick is to turn left and right and up and down, go up and down, turn left, turn right. And the right joystick is to take it forward, take it backward, pan to right, pan to left. So let's fly. After setting it up and flying it a bit, what really stands out it's how beginner friendly the DJI Mini 4K is. The controls are intuitive, it feels stable in the air, and you don't need much experience to start getting usable shots. If you are new to drones, this is the kind of drone you can actually learn on without feeling overwhelmed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe it to the channel. I'll be sharing more drone flights, camping trips and gear videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the footage.